There's a public offer closing in 7 days, and I don't want you to miss it, but I also don't want you to jump in without understanding what you are buying. In my last video, I explained what public offers are and why they are one of the best entry points into the Nigerian stock market. Today, we have a live one right now, closing June 11th. International Energy Insurance Plc, IEI. I'm going to break down exactly what this offer is, why it's interesting, and the risk you need to know before you apply. Because I'm not here to hype you, I'm here to help you make smart decisions. Let's get into it. I'm Victoria Abioye, and on this channel we talk about money, mindset, and life. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Now let's talk about this offer. International Energy Insurance Plc, ticker INTENEGINS, on the NGX, is a Nigerian insurance company specializing in energy, oil and gas, and marine insurance. Now, that's important. This is not a regular everyday insurance company. They focus on big corporate clients, oil companies, marine companies, energy firms. That's a niche market, and niche markets can be very valuable. The company was acquired in 2022 by Norenberger Advisor Partners and has been going through a major turnaround since then. They cleared legacy debts, restructured the business, and pulled the company's equity from negative territory into a positive 8.95 billion in early 2026. That is significant. That is a company fighting to survive, and from what the numbers show, it is winning. Here are the key details of the offer. Offer price is 3 naira 20 kobo per shares. Offer opened May 20th, 2026 and is closing June 11, 2026. That is 7 days from now. Minimum shares you can buy is 1,000 shares. So the minimum investment is about 3,200 naira. That's it. Now, here's what makes this interesting. The current market price of IEI shares on the Nigerian exchange right now is approximately 6 naira 60 kobo per shares. You are being offered share at 3 naira 20 kobo, while the same shares are trading at 6 naira 60 kobo on the open market. That is roughly a 50% discount compared to what other people are paying right now. If the market price stays around 6 naira 60 kobo after the offer closes, anyone who bought at 3 naira 20 kobo is sitting on an immediate paper gain of over 100%. That is the opportunity. Let me give you the reason why this offer is attractive. Number one, the price discount. Buying at 3 naira 20 kobo when the market price is 6 naira 60 kobo gives you an immediate built-in advantage. Even if the price drops slightly after the offer, you are still in profit. Number two, energy sector positioning. Nigeria runs on oil and gas. A company that specializes in insuring energy and marine assets in Nigeria has a very strong long-term position. These are big ticket contracts, and IEI has the expertise to win them. Number three, the turnaround story. The new management has done something difficult. They took a struggling company and rebuilt it from the ground. Positive equity, cleared debts, new strategy. Management projects a profit of 1.15 billion for quarter 3 2026. If that comes true, the stock price will react positively. Number four, the recapitalization law. The Nigerian Insurance Industry Reform Act is forcing insurance companies to raise more capital. IEI is ahead of the curve on this. Companies that comply early tend to benefit more. Now, I promise you I'll give you both sides. So here are the risks that are real. Risk number one, earnings drop sharply. In 2025, IEI's net profit dropped 81% from 2.95 billion naira in 2024 to just 551 million naira in 2025. That is a massive drop in 1 year. It could mean the business had a bad year, or it could signal deeper problems. Keep that in mind. Risk number two, share dilution. This offer is issuing 5.46 billion new shares. That is an enormous number of new shares entering the market. When more shares exist, each individual share becomes worth relatively less. This could put downward pressure on the price after the offer closes. Risk number three, high volatility. IEI shares move more than 11% in a single week on average. That means the price can go up very fast, but it can also come down very fast. This is not a stable low-risk stock. Number four, insurance is not banking. My previous investments were in tier 1 banks, tried and trusted companies with decades of consistent performance. Insurance stocks in Nigeria are generally less predictable. This is a high-risk category. So, should you buy? Here's my honest take. And please note, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research before making any investment decision. That said, here is how I personally think about it. The 3 naira 20 kobo entry price against 6 naira 60 kobo market price is a compelling opportunity on paper. The turnaround story is real and the management has shown results. But the 81% earnings drop and the massive share dilutions are genuine concerns that I cannot ignore. If I were considering this, I would only invest an amount I am completely comfortable losing. Not my emergency funds, not money I need next month, only money I can afford to leave alone for at least 12 to 18 months. And I would keep my position small. relative to my overall portfolio. Offer closes June 11. If you want to participate, you have 7 days. Talk to your stockbroker or apply directly through Afriinvestor or Morgan Capital. So that's IEI public offer breakdown. The opportunity, the risk, and my honest take. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you applying for this offer or you are just sitting this one out? I genuinely want to know what you think. And if you found this useful, share it right now on your WhatsApp status. There are people in your contacts who don't even know these offers exist, and it closes in 7 days. You might just help someone make a smart financial decision today. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me everywhere. I am the Victoria Abioye. I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep building together.